guys. Okay, this is for everybody that gave me their sentences so that I could make this video that I based off Christina Grimmie's of All That Is Random. So a bunch of people just gave me a whole bunch of, random sentences, and I kind of arranged them to sound funny but cute at the same time, and I made the music in the background. So I know this isn't my normal video location, but you have to bear with me here. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's kind of different from what I usually do, but I'm going to be singing, so don't be worried. Here goes nothing. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. I hope this records, by the way. A cow licked my face. A wolf and a deer. The golden spur of knighthood was fixed upon the hill. I like the zebras. Yeah, the stripy ones, My mom said, I am special. Can you still move up in America? Jack Skellington's awesome. My favorite number of the alphabet is black. Please don't be macking on my Applejack. Drugs aren't your friend. Pedophiles are. My favorite smell is elephant. Buffalo, 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 buffalo. Yeah. I eat apples in bed. That's what I said. Apples in bed. My mom said, I am special. Can you still move up in America? Jack Skellington's awesome. My favorite number of the alphabet is black. Please don't be macking on my Applejack. I'm as confused as a fat kid with a salad. Zombies eat brains, so you're safe. I'm as happy as a Mickey D's Happy Meal. When turtles are desperate, do they call shoes? My mom said, I'm special. Can you still move up in America? Jack Skellington's awesome. My favorite number of the alphabet is black. Please don't be backing on my Applejack. Epic purple flying turtle moose. How ironic is it when a man with no feet owns a shoe store? If you look up people of Walmart.com, you will feel better about yourself. Feel better about yourself because the people at Walmart are psychopaths. My mom said, I'm special. Can you still move up in America? Jack Skellington's awesome. My favorite number of the alphabet is black. Please don't be macking on my Applejack. Okay, I hope you like my song and everybody else's song. And thanks to all you people. Love you.